Hey guys, Candy here at My Mobile Homestead. I got my grandson Jesse over here, and he's videoing for his own YouTube channel.
What's up,
And
guys?
what?
Filming with my grandma today.
And he has rescued a bird.
Where is this?
It looks like, I'm not sure, like a finch maybe.
I think it's a robin. It's on my Instagram.
No, robin's a different color. And he's we're gonna let him hang out in the cage for a little bit. We gave him a bowl of water to bathe in and drink, and then I have some wild bird seed. Can you see it right there? Yep. And so we need to put a perch in there, but right now he's a little bit freaked out, and it doesn't help that the cat, who is the reason that we rescued him, is hanging out down here looking extremely interested, along with the dog, but she's not going to do anything.
Lucy's awesome.
So
Tuxedo, come here.
we are hoping that we're not going to keep him for that long. We just want to make sure that he's going to be strong enough to stay away from the cat. Lucy, off.
Honestly, I kind of wanted to just keep him as a pet.
Well, we can't do that. We can't. Yeah, we can't do the keep him as a pet because he's wild, and that's not fair to him. But if we decide to get a bird at a different time, we could, as a pet.
I don't know. I just had the camera aimed over here. I haven't filmed a video in like so long.
That's okay. All right. Yep, there he is. He's pretty cute, and he looks pretty strong and healthy, so I imagine he'll be getting to go free pretty soon.
He just has like bite marks on his neck. That's what I was like worried about.
Yeah.
And
so
we found him. He like flew into the house off of my cat's mouth.
Aww.
He went like behind the curtain hiding. So
now I'll have to admit, friends, my cats do hunt, and it is unfortunate when they bring in a bird, and I do let them eat the bird, I am sorry to say. But that's only because, you know, if I take the bird away, it's going to die anyway. But I do welcome their hunting the rodents, because here in the Southern California mountains we do have a lot of rodents and gophers and snakes and all kinds of stuff like that that they keep under control. But it is unfortunate that the birds unfortunately get tagged from time to time. My theory on that, though, some of you may not like the sound of it, but my theory is the birds would probably get way out of control if we didn't have cats keeping them down in numbers.
Well, I think cats and birds are pretty cool, but I like cats really much, but I wanted to save a bird because I've never even held or touched a bird besides a chicken and a rooster.
Well, he's a wild bird, so we're not going to put our hands directly on him. We're just going to give him some time to get well, and then we're going to let him go, and then we'll get a bird that you can handle that's been clean. Yeah.
I want to get a bird.
That's
down below
okay.
if I should get a bird.
All right, guys. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this. Please comment below, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to select that bell so you can be notified when I have another video coming out. And I'll talk to you later, guys. God bless.